I'm Paul Hoover. I'm going to read from my new book, The Book of Unnamed Things. This poem, called Written, was influenced by the Polish poet Wisława Szymborska. Written. The written stone rests in the unwritten river. Unwritten rain is falling over the written town. Nothing written today, but tomorrow you'll be written as you sit in your room not writing. Lo, it is written. Pollen writes on the stamen. The man writes a child in the body of the woman. Your eyes write the view into the window, but it doesn't stay forever. It returns with you into the unwritten. All that means is written. Lo, a tiger of a word has escaped its cage. Our quiet words wait beneath the stare for a reason to speak, an edge or fold or cause to remark. Oh, we say, no way and no how. This is how the world begins. Dark branches written against a white sky. The written stone rests in the written river. Written rain falls over the written town.